How to send voice recordings on Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily send voice recordings on Messenger. Now there are two different ways to send a voice recording. One is to send it through Messenger by recording it. The other one is to send the pre-recorded voice recordings that is on your device. Now first things first, simply open up Messenger and you want to head into the chat that you wish to send the voice message to, and I'll just open up my own account here. I'll just open up my chat here. So you can see I've sent the voice message here. All you have to do is at the bottom you can see the microphone option there, the microphone icon there beside the gallery icon. You want to simply tap on it and you'll be able to record it and you can send it. So you can say it'll be sent. So this way you can send voice messages in Messenger. If you want to send it from recorded files, you want to simply head into your recordings there. Now I don't have voice recordings, but you want to head into files, and unlike any other files, like any other files that you use, you want to simply open it up, and you want to tap on share there. And once you tap on it and tap on share here, I'm not getting this share option, but I'll just show you here. With simply, suppose this is the voice recording, you want to tap on it, you want to select it and tap on share, and you'll get the Messenger option. You want to tap on Messenger and then tap in chat, and then you can go ahead and send it. So this way you can send voice recordings on Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.